Examinee, you may begin your patient encounter.
Yeah, come in. About time somebody come in here and help me. I've been sitting here for like 45 minutes. Nobody's came to check on me. It's freezing in his room. I need some water. I mean, what's going on with this place? I mean, are y'all that understaffed that you can't help your patients? I mean, I'm horrible in here. Can I have some water?
Yes.
Please.
Yes, of course.
Please, thank you. What's your name?
My name is Dr. Reynolds.
So you're the doctor. Finally, I get to see a doctor in here.
There you go. I'm very sorry, Miss Young, for the wait and discomfort. I have a drape that I can
Sure.
I can put this drape on you that should warm you up. I apologize for the temperature. I will let them know that it's chilly in here and they can increase the temperature.
Please, please. Oh.
Do you need some more water? Okay. Okay.
I mean, I'll be okay for now, but this is a tiny cup of water for my cough. I'm just saying.
I can get you some more water.
I'll be okay right now. Let's just get it started. I'm just tired of being here. I've been waiting forever.
I apologize for the inconvenience. I got here as quick as I can. The clinic is very busy today, and
Apparently.
I'm going to do everything I can to help you.
Okay.